Hey guys, what's going on? It's HotDiecast Garage, and I'm very excited because today we have our second Hot Wheels Challenge accepted Pleybox. I want to say a big thank you to Play for sending me this package, and the best part is they are doing a 1-year subscription giveaway for these Pleyboxes. Just post a photo of your most creative Hot Wheels stunt on Facebook or Instagram with the hashtag #PlayChallenge and tag Play on the post for a chance to win. And if you like what comes inside the box and would like to order one for yourself, my link is in the description below. Alright, now it's time to open this one up and see what we have inside. So let's take a peek inside this box and see what we have here. Our first item is the Hot Wheels clamp from the track builder system. In the back here we have 3 feet of epic Hot Wheels track, which you always need to build the best track setup. Now let's take a look at some cars here. Our first model is the Hot Wheels Exotics Fast Feline. I really like this next one. It's one of my all-time favorite cars. It's the black and red color of the McLaren P1. But the highlight car for this Pleybox is the new for 2018 Hot Wheels Glow Wheels Cyber Speeder. The next item inside the box is the Hot Wheels Challenge Accepted Play Activity book featuring that latest new model on the cover. Check out this exclusive Hot Wheels t-shirt you get in this box. It's for Challenge Accepted and features the brand new Hot Wheels Cyber Speeder. The Challenge Accepted t-shirts are one of my favorite parts of these Pleyboxes, and this new design is especially cool. There is one more thing inside this box, so let's get it out and take a look at it. So this is the Track Builder System Turn Kicker, which is the extension included in this Pleybox to grow your Hot Wheels system. Here we have everything that was packed inside the latest Hot Wheels Challenge Accepted Pleybox. If you like what you see here and would like to purchase one of these packages for yourself, my link can be found in the description below. We've got 3 awesome Hot Wheels cars to open up, so let's start off with the new for 2018 Cyber Speeder. The next model is the black and red McLaren P1. And our third car from the Challenge Accepted Pleybox is the Fast Feline. We also have to open up our 3 feet of Hot Wheels track extension. I wanted to take a better look at the Hot Wheels Challenge Accepted Playbook. It says surprises inside and your picture might be on page 19. Now for the Hot Wheels clamp that was included in the box, you can use this as an accessory with your Pleybox to make some awesome Hot Wheels stunts. The last thing we have to open up is this Track Builder System Turn Kicker. This is everything that was packed inside the Turn Kicker box. We're gonna assemble it right now, but here we have our car for the pack. It's the Clear Speeder. Alright, so now we have the Turn Kicker assembled. It's very similar to the custom Turn Kicker I reviewed a couple days ago. You pull this back and it's ready to go. The car that came with the set was Clear Speeder, so let's test it out and see how it does. Make sure you guys enter the Play 1-year subscription box giveaway by sharing your Hot Wheels creations on social media with the hashtag #PlayChallenge. A big thank you to Play, and thank you all for watching. I'll see you guys on my next Hot Wheels video.